Okay, let's start. This is the spider's pose. Yeah, the first one. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are the Coven of Spiders, and my name is Daniel. They are my friends, Daddy, Ramia, and Auran. Hello friends, how are you?
We are all fellow witches here.
Now we are going to do a magic potion. And the ingredients are a cup of a dragon pea, 3 pig teeth, 10 petals of a daisy, and 5 hair of a cat.
First, take a small cut.
Then put the dragon's pea. Then put the dragon's pea and put it on for 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Crush the 50 and mix.
Cut the petals, spring and put it on top. Finally, 5 hairs of a cat.
Mix everything and the potion is ready.
That's my nose, that's my dear Italian and Auran sleep here. Greeting friends, have no fear. We are all fellow witches here.
I'm the witch Enoch, and we're going to do a potion with the witch Ainaf and the wizard Usopp. Here is the ingredients.
A bit of snake skin, half of a kilo of crocodile teeth, a cup of frog's brain, and a spoon of monkey's nut.
First, take a small courtroom. Then put a bit of snake skin with a monkey's nut and a crocodile teeth. Then mix 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the frogs and now mix. The witches here. Cha 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 disappear.
What's the potion for? Do you know?
For disappear.
Okay, now you can start.
Hello friends, have no fear.
We are all fellow witches here.
My name is Nolna Wizard.
And my witch name is Aobe. My witch name is Pula.
We are going to do a magic potion. Here are the ingredients.
1 pour d'eau, a half a liter of pig pea,
ball, Carlos.
Then put the mouse teeth into the candle.
2, 3.
Later mix the monkey's bone with the mouse teeth and put in the fire for the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After add the first piece.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Finally, add the dough and mix. And still mix. And this is the sugar. Abracadabra, ding dong, cha cha cha, listo.
Beethoven, which one are you? Bach. Okay, Beethoven. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hello friends, I give you greeting. My name is Shanam. My name is Rihanna. My name is Fabia. And now we are going to do one magic potion with the video. 3 globs of garlic, 1 dead fly, and 3 spoons of poison. First, take a small candle and then put 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 3, 2, and 3. We add 3 spoons of poison.
Don't worry, pretend that. Throw it there. Doesn't matter. Don't do it like this, doesn't matter. Yes, we can imagine. What else?
We add the fly and the leaf. Boil for 10 minutes, stirring continually.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch my ear, clap, 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 disappear. Touch your foot, do a magic potion, and these are the ingredients.
2 cups of wolf pea, a cup of pig blood, crushed guts of a beetle, and finally canary feathers.
First, take a small cauldron. Then put 2 cups of wolf pea into the cauldron.
After that, add a cup of pig blood. And we stir for 10 minutes.
Stir the pot. Mix a mixing potion.
Then, when it's hot, we stir. When it's hot, we take
What's the next ingredient?
a glacier of a little.
And finally, we add the canary feathers and we cook it until boils.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Touch my mouth, touch my ear, yabby, yabby, droopy here.
Bring get it on your chin or chin. Don't get it on your fingers. Don't, mixing magic potion, mixing magic potion, mixing magic Three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. They go around and around and like they run and run and run and run. They run and run.